Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the contacts application, go to the fix and manage, then select import from SIM, then select save to device. So here you can select contacts which you want to import. Let's import them all. So you can remove copies from SIM, okay, no problem. But I don't have any copies, so keep them, no problem. And as you can see, now we have these contacts on our device. Here they are. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.